Hey guys, so this is Miss Stacy. So we are launching into your research paper conclusion. This is under that page, Intro to Research Paper tab. So your conclusion is one of the most important parts of your paper as always. It is the end, it is the finale. It is going to tie up your paper in a pretty little bow. The conclusions absolutely must be phenomenal. You should leave your reader still thinking about your topic and your paper once they finish reading it. So you do not want to write a conclusion and then as soon as the person puts down your paper, they completely forget about it. It's okay to leave your reader with a powerful question that leaves them thinking, or use an image at the last to keep in the reader's mind. So that would be like more of the very end, final sentences or final part of your conclusion paragraph. Never merely say the end. Do not ever finish a paper with the end. Okay, that's boring. Avoid throwing some cruddy conclusions just to get it out of the way. If you don't like the conclusion, pretty sure we won't like it either, and thus you guessed it, your grade suffers. So basically, leave me or your reader thinking about your topics. I want to be left after I read your paper going, wow, that was really interesting, and I learned some stuff, and now I have other questions that maybe have come about from reading your paper. So that is some clues for writing your conclusion paper. Tips on writing your conclusion. So restate your topic. Just kind of really briefly explain why your topic is important, why you wrote about it. Make sure it's concise, make sure it's clear. Do not ramble on about it. You've already explained your arguments in your body paragraphs, so you don't need to restate the supporting of your ideas, but mostly just your ideas. So like in one sentence, just lay it out clearly. So the examples that I've been doing is, extermination camps. I knew what my 3 body paragraphs were going to be about. So maybe my restated topic about my paper would be something along the lines of many different peoples perished in Nazi extermination camps. Bam. Statement restated. You need to restate your thesis statement, but this does not be word for word. Okay, guys, you're not just going to copy and paste your thesis statement out of your intro and paste it into your conclusion paragraph. You need to rewrite it because it shouldn't sound exactly like an introduction. It must be narrowed and focused on your topic a little bit more, so don't use the same exact word for word thesis statement. And then you need to summarize the main points of your paper. So this is just a reminder. Because heaven forbid you have a reader that maybe has some memory loss. And so you're just going to give them that last little hint about what your paper was about. So this does not mean that you need to go into super detail. It is very summarized and condensed. So before you summarize main points, go back and reread the whole body of your paper, focusing on the most important arguments and facts. Don't repeat the same ideas in the exact same way. This time, you don't need to support each statement. Just provide a brief overview of the key points and make sure that you don't add any new details in the conclusion. Because when you add new details, more people have questions, and then you did not answer those questions in your paper. Okay, so don't add any new details. Just simply summarize everything that you've already done. So this is going to be for your conclusion, the very last sentence of your paper. And once this is done, you are almost done with the entire thing, and you just have a very quick thing to do, and that would be your citations. So if you have any questions or concerns, don't forget to contact me or Mrs. Manders.